Welcome to 1 Minute Tech, your go-to source for the most essential updates in science and technology, explained clearly with zero fluff. Today, we turn our spotlight on a high-stakes legal battle emerging from the world of robotics, one that pits Tesla against one of its own former engineers in a lawsuit that could shape the future of humanoid robotic innovation. Tesla has officially filed a lawsuit against Zhongjie, a former engineer who worked within its Optimus humanoid robotics division. The core of Tesla's claim is that Li allegedly stole proprietary trade secrets regarding Tesla's advanced robotic hand sensors and used this confidential information to form a competing company, Proception. According to the lawsuit, Proception is not just another tech startup. It is a Combinator-backed venture that has publicly declared its mission to revolutionize human-robot interaction through the development of what it calls the world's most advanced humanoid robotic hands. Tesla alleges that Li downloaded confidential files pertaining to Optimus hand sensor technology onto two separate personal smartphones during his tenure at the company, which lasted from August 2022 to September 2024. The complaint further details how, during the final months of his employment, Li conducted internal research on humanoid robotic hands and simultaneously looked into venture capital and other startup funding opportunities using his Tesla-issued computer. What raises further concern for Tesla is the timeline. According to the complaint, less than 1 week after leaving the company, Li incorporated Proception. Even more striking, within just 5 months of its formation, Proception publicly announced it had successfully built humanoid robotic hands that, according to Tesla, bear a suspiciously close resemblance to the designs Li was involved with during his time at Tesla. Proception's official website claims the company is working toward building the most advanced humanoid hands on the planet, promising a future where human-robot interaction is fundamentally redefined. While this may sound like another exciting advancement in robotics, the source of that innovation is now under intense scrutiny. Both Tesla and Proception were contacted for comment on the issue, though additional public statements from either party remain pending as of the time of this report. This lawsuit unfolds against the backdrop of Tesla's broader efforts in humanoid robotics, which have experienced both momentum and obstacles in recent years. Tesla first revealed its ambition to create a humanoid robot, known as the Tesla Bot, back in 2021. At that time, the company envisioned introducing the robot, along with a suite of other innovative products, by 2023. However, development has continued beyond that initial timeline, and the Optimus robot has not yet reached commercial release. In July 2024, Tesla CEO Elon Musk declared that Optimus would be available for sale by 2026. This statement came just a few months before the company's October 2024 event titled We, Robot, where Tesla showcased its Optimus robots. However, during the event, many observers noted that the robots were largely controlled remotely by humans, indicating that fully autonomous functionality may still be in development. With the promise of humanoid robots comes an intensely competitive field of research and development. Trade secrets in this space represent not just technological blueprints, but potentially billion-dollar opportunities. Tesla's lawsuit is not merely about protecting proprietary code or mechanical schematics. It is about defending the edge it hopes to maintain in a rapidly evolving, high-stakes race to develop commercially viable robotic companions, workers, and interfaces. This story also touches on the growing trend of engineers and researchers moving from corporate labs to startup ventures, often carrying with them not just their technical skills, but also deep knowledge of the very systems they helped build. In Tesla's case, the company argues that such a transition, when coupled with the misappropriation of trade secrets, crosses a critical legal and ethical boundary. Whether or not Tesla's allegations against Li and Proception hold up in court remains to be seen. What is certain, however, is that the outcome of this case could set a precedent for how intellectual property is handled in the highly secretive and fiercely competitive field of robotics. As always, we will be watching this story closely, and we'll keep you updated on any major developments. If you're fascinated by the intersection of AI, robotics, and law, or if you're just curious about how close we really are to a future with functional humanoid machines, make sure you don't miss what happens next. Thank you for watching 1 Minute Tech. If you found this report informative, remember to like this video, share it with others who follow tech news, and of course, subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. Your daily dose of the future is just one click away.